that gets you flagged for shit, and that was one of them.
I'm gonna smoke a cigarette while you do this one.
These things I thought were gay as fuck, but I've been buying them up on the used market
Yeah.
and building them out.
There's a bunch on the used market, huh?
They are. They were cheaper at the beginning of COVID.
Yeah.
And then, like this one is
So I know they're like
1,800
$4
brand new.
grand fucking new.
$2,000.
$2 grand new, okay.
$2,000. This one, I mean, it's the XR, that's the one you want. And then you mod them out with different foot plates and shit, different tires. I mean, it's the closest thing to snowboarding.
Really?
Like, almost to a T. Oh, man. What a year.
Yeah, bro. To say the least.
Totally, dude. It's not over yet.
No. Not even close.
No, finding out that you got sick, I was like, fucking heck. Man, oh man.
Dude, and you know, I take care of my
Yeah, that's
motherfucking
what I'm
self,
saying,
bro.
dude.
And
I
that
was
shit
like-
got me. Fucked me up. Like ruthless status. It fucking put me on my back, bro.
No, man.
Made me go, I was questioning my existence for a minute.
You were?
It's like, oh, this is the one.
You have a hard time breathing? No.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it got down in my lungs for sure.
It's weird. I had
But
something
getting
like
down in my lungs was like, you know, it ended up being like kind of shortness of breath, and I took a bunch of Mucinex, broke it all up, you know.
Yeah.
And then for like 3 days, every morning it was fucking big lung cookies, big
A
fuckers,
year ago.
like,
I had that one.
like fucking snot
Yeah,
rockets.
no,
bro.
totally.
And I'm like, what the fuck?
I didn't go on, and when I moved out here,
Yeah.
I was on a nebulizer. I had something in my chest.
Some kind of funkin' shit, yeah.
I think it's been around longer than we think.
Well, I'm sure.
Not China, just in November.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I woke
sure.
up and when I had what I thought sounds like this. Several nights I had to take myself to the urgent care because I couldn't breathe.
Yeah, it was all super in my lungs, and just, I just did not feel fucking good at all. Kind of hard to breathe, and then it just kind of went away after I spit it all the fuck out. And that was like the final purge.
What color was it?
Bright yellow and
Yeah.
fucking chunky.
Lung.
It was definitely all my white blood cells that had fucking died fighting the goddamn virus, whatever it was. Whatever that shit was, bro. It definitely wreaked some fucking havoc in my body. But it didn't kill me, baby. I'm stronger.
Oh, totally did.
Didn't fucking kill me.
Polly hasn't got sick, right?
Not that I know of.
Yeah, no, because you can do research.
Yeah, they look like a good time, man. I was checking them out at
You
the
gotta know
fucking
how
trade
to
show.
fall off it and run off it, because if you keep your foot on the front path,
Yeah.
it fucking takes off. And then, if it's below 40% battery, it's taking off by itself. I had in the hotel, bam, 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 bam.
It just took off by itself.
Yeah, dude, it would have killed someone. But you can jump them. You can do nollies like you're on a snowboard.
Sure. Yeah, I'm fucking dying to get up and do me some fucking riding, man.
This is the thing, though, that will give you that. If I was a hood rat and couldn't afford to go to the mountain,
That's the cure for the Jones right there, huh?
hell yeah, dude. Not those fucking remote control backboards.
Yeah.
Dude, come on,
Fuck
man.
them fag boards.
Seriously though, because this you have to have balance. And you have to use your feet.
Right.
Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, I saw Jason. He was here.
Yeah, I just talked to him too.
I saw Mr. Cato over there with him.
He's such a douche.
Oh yeah. I mean, okay, I never met him until recently. Jake had told me about him.
Yeah, I had to go in there and fucking swoop up my fucking niece because she was hanging out with his ass.
Are you serious?
This was way back when she first got out to Frisco with us, but we're just like, no. You cannot fucking hang out with Kato. What does she do? First thing, goes and jumps in his lap. Oh no. Both uncles rallied over there. They're all freaking out, dude. Thought we were gonna come over there to beat his ass and this and that. And I says, hey, I just came over to get Sarah Nova, and if she ain't leaving and he gets in my way, I'm gonna beat his motherfucking ass and I will take her out over my shoulder if that's what I gotta do. And he had like 3 or 4 of those HAs, buddies of his hanging out. And I just looked at them all. I'm like, what? Motherfucker, this don't concern you. Oh, we're just here to make sure nothing happens to Kato. I'm like, as long as Kato shuts the fuck up, stays the fuck out the way, nothing's gonna happen to Kato. Oh, you can't talk to me like that. I'm like, I'll talk to you whatever the fuck I want.
Dude, that's funny.
Yeah,
bro.
they were tripping, dude. And then fucking J-Cat was like, don't fuck with those boys. This has nothing to do with you.
That's funny. I just met him.
He's like, don't even talk to HA